Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Video Memory Management internal blue screen on Windows 11 and 10 by following a few easy troubleshooting steps. Let's dive in and solve this issue quickly. Step 1. Open the search menu and type Device Manager. Click on it from the results, then double-click on Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver to begin updating your display settings. Step 2. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the manufacturer-specific driver if available and click Next to install it. Step 3. After updating the driver, visit your graphics card manufacturer's website like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Look for the latest driver version and download it manually if needed, based on the model shown in Device Manager. Step 4. If the issue still persists, your graphics card might be faulty. In that case, you may need to consult a technician or consider replacing the hardware if it's underperforming or overheating. Step 5. As an extra step, run a System File Checker scan. Open the search menu, type Command Prompt, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter to begin the scan. Step 6. Wait for the scan to complete, which may take several minutes. Once it finishes, close the command prompt and restart your PC to apply any repairs it made during the scan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.